that was a lot of fun. So here's my steering car mock. It uses 3 these motors, 2 for the wheels, 1 for steering. There is a lot of gears on this thing, as you can see. We have a differential, and it goes all throughout here. Teeth of the gears touch, connecting to the front. The steering mechanism, that's that right there. So this is a pretty cool project to build, and I know some of you out there may be wondering, will there be instructions for how to build it? I don't know if I'm gonna make a tutorial for this thing in the future, because it is definitely a complex build right here, but I'll think about it. Might be tutorial, might not be. Who knows, maybe this video gets like 10 likes or something. We'll do a tutorial. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I'm happy I got those clips because it really shows how awesome this thing is. And yeah, so that's really going to cover it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!